past as Thaprobane, Serendip and Ceylon, Sri Lanka is captivating both by its name as the land of splendor and by what it offers. The natural beauty of the island's tropical forests and varied landscape and beautiful beaches make up this beautiful pearl in the Indian Ocean. The fisheries industry is an integral part of the economy as a source of livelihood for the coastal population in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka has approximately 538,500 square kilometers of fishing resources, of which its southern and eastern sea zones are renowned for offshore fishing, which yields fishing for exports. The southern region remains the largest contributor to offshore fish output in the island at present. Over the past 5 years, the industry has expanded at a compounded annual growth rate of 14.44%. Globally, industrial-scale fishing operations account that 20% of world catches are discarded and returned to the sea without life. More than 300,000 small whales, dolphins, and turtles each year are destroyed when they happen to have been caught in mesh fishing. Such fishing operations kill thousands of loggerhead turtles and leatherback turtles each year, making the latter now critically endangered. Species including 26 species of seabirds and 17 species of albatross are threatened by industrial longline operations. However, in Sri Lanka, small-scale artisanal fishery uses drifting long lines as the only method employed in harvesting of exportable tuna. Hook spacing is approximately 50 meters to 70 meters with 22 meters branch line, causing no danger to seabirds, and the depths these sea lines are set to avoid shark, turtle and juvenile by catch. We source from Sri Lankan waters, which is tropical island surrounded the Indian Ocean, 1,750 kilometers of coastline, 200 nautical miles of exclusive economic zone, geographically and strategically located between east and west with extensive links by sea and air. Longline fishing method, hence sustainable and environmental friendly.
Audio Jungle.
The TESS Group is a diversified group of companies engaged in engineering, export of marine products, deep-sea fishing, and export of agricultural produce. The group is the largest exporter of marine products to the European markets and is among the 10 largest perishable exporters from Sri Lanka to world markets. Established in 1984, Tropic Fisheries was Sri Lanka's first standardized fish processing plant approved by the Department of Fisheries for processing fish and fishery product. TESS Agro plc, established on 1992 as the first cold chain operator in Sri Lanka and dedicated towards processing and distribution for superior seafood. TESS Agro plc processes and exports varieties of top quality seafood products including yellowfin and big-eye tuna, swordfish and reef fish to European countries, USA, Japan and some other destinations. TESS Agro plc's processing facilities are operated in strict compliance to European Union and USA food safety regulations. In 1996, Tropic Fisheries launched Sri Lanka's first exclusive longline fishing vessels and Tropic Fisheries Deep Sea Fishing Company was established. Our processing facilities are operated in strict compliance to EU and USA food and safety regulations. Our process in compliance with HACCP system together with supporting GMP and SSOP practices. Also, our process is certified from BRC Global Standards for Food Safety A grade. Our name is synonymous with the products of the highest quality from Sri Lanka.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.